Hello guys, and today I'm back with another video, and today we are going to be making a drawer so you can draw on a Python Turtle screen. This is so you can do anything to do with a text edit or anything along the lines. You can use this as a really useful skill to know how to do. And yeah, let's get right into it. Imported turtle. Remember, we always need to do this when using the turtle module, otherwise you will get an error. First thing we need to do is window is equal to turtle dot screen. This will only set up the screen. We're not going to give it any attributes, any special attributes, any background color. You're going to have a plain turtle screen. You'll see what that looks like, but you can set any attributes as you would like. We're going to go call our turtle, so the actual drawer, t turtle dot turtle. Always remember to use this capital T here for the second one. Now we're going to give this some attributes. Turtle.speed, fastest animation speed. Turtle.shape, we actually want it to be a turtle. Unless you would like it to be a circle, draw with a circle, that's up to you. T.pen size, I'm going to use 3. You can use this again, whatever you would like. Then before we move it to the set position, we're going to make it t.pen up. And then t.go to, and then you would here have whatever position. We're just going to do 10. No, we're going to do actually minus, but let's say 70 and 0. And then you want to do t.pen down, because we do want it to draw on the screen. Right, now here is the important bit, the actual functions that allows you to do this. You want to start a procedure, def dragging, so you drag it along the screen with parameters of x and y for positioning. Right, colon, remember indentation. Now t.onDrag is going to be equal to none. Remember to use none with capital N, otherwise it won't work. T.onDrag, so it can't drag along the screen. T.setHeading will be t.towards x and y. So 2 brackets to cover these and this whole statement. This is to make it so the turtle points wherever your mouse is going in x and y position. And we want t.go to x and y. Right, so it goes to where your mouse is going. Then t.onDrag is not going to be equal to none, it's going to be equal to dragging, which is the name of this. So whatever name you have here will be put in here. Right, now we need to make, this was a function, now we need to make our main. So def main, we just want to call the window to listen in for any movement. And then t, once again put t.onDrag, dragging. Then we want to call main, and this should all run. Let's check that out. And here you have it. You have a turtle where you can move, drag it along the screen, draw anything you like. And yeah, you can change the color, which we can do here. So t.color, remember to spell it American. T.color, let's say blue. And we can also make this pen size very, very thick. So let we do something like 7. We can do it like this. You can draw whatever you would like. You can have many of these. You can set up many drawers on the same screen. So all you would need to do is do this again, but for a different letter, define it differently, and do this again, but with that turtle. And that's all you need to do, and you'll have it all on one screen. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video where I show you how to draw. If you have enjoyed this video, please consider dropping the like button, hitting the like button, and hitting the subscribe button as well. It will help me out tremendously. And leave in the comments down below what you would like to see next on Python Turtle, or anything to do with Python or game development. And yeah, hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace!